Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off the phone dialing sound on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you want to switch off the dialing sound on your Samsung S25 Ultra, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and bring down the notification bar, then tap on the settings icon here at the top right. Scroll down until you see sounds and vibration, tap on this, then tap on system sound. Now from this list, find dialing keypad. Go ahead and switch this off. Now you want to go back to your home, open the phone app, and now when you dial, you will not hear any sound. So there you go guys, that is how to turn off the phone dialing sound on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.